Hi everyone, welcome back. All right, we are going to work on section 6.2, page what, everyone?
185.
185 in your Go Math books. My onliners, I realized when I had it on the board, it was really hard for you guys to see. So I'm going to try it another way. I'm going to try opening it on the laptop and mirroring my screen to the computer. So then it'll be a little more clear for you. Let's see if that'll work. All right, so it says use compensation. How can you make an add-in to attend to help solve an addition problem? Draw quick pictures to show the problems. Let's read the problems, I guess. That's kind of important. Kara has 47 stickers. Sorry. Kara has 47 stickers. She buys 20 more stickers. How many stickers does she have now? So Kara has how many stickers? 47. So I'm going to take out my handy dandy pencil and I'm going to write she has 47 stickers. All right. She buys 20 more stickers. How many stickers does she have now? So this is our math sentence. This is how it should look, our number sentence. Now they want us to draw pictures for that. So there's two ways to do this. I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to show you the picture way first, and then I'm going to show you the other way that you will use throughout the year. That's a lot easier to me. But again, I talked about this on Friday. Everyone's brains works differently. So some people may find it easier to draw the picture, and some people may find it easier to line them up and just add. So I'll show you how both of those look in a second. Let's do the picture way first. 47 plus 20. So that means we have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, these are 10 logs. And we have 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please draw this. Don't just look at me like I came from outer space. Okay? Remember, when we draw our ones, we want to try to keep it in the straightest line possible. Do not draw ones all around your paper, or you will have a huge mess. And then we have plus 20. So then we have 2 tens and 0 ones, right? What is that going to equal? Now how many tens do we have? We have 4 here, plus 2 is 6. So we have 4, 5, 6. We have 6 tens. And then how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 7. Very good. Because there's no ones here, so that 7 is the same, right? So our answer is what?
67.
67. I'm going to show you another way to do that. You can also do this problem by writing it out like this. 47 plus, I want you to do it both ways just so you get a feel of how it is, plus 20. And then you have to draw the line in the middle. That's the invisible line. That's a line for you, okay? That's for you, so you know the difference between the ones and the tens place. This is the ones place. This is the tens place. Remember we already went over place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is the ones place. This is the tens place. Whenever we add like this by lining the numbers up, we always start adding the ones place first. So 7 plus 0 is what? 7. If I have 7 apples and I have 0 more, then how many do I have? 7. I still have 7 apples. The number didn't change. And now I do the tens place. What's 4 plus 2? 6. You see how you get the same answer both ways? That's what I meant by some people find it easier to do this way. Some people find it easier to do it this way. Either way is right. Either way, you get the right answer. Okay? And always box your answer. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again with a different set of numbers. Tyrone has 30 stickers and buys 52 more. How many stickers does he have now? So Tyrone has 30 stickers and he buys 52 more. So 30 plus what? 52. Thank you. Good job. 30 plus 52. So first let's do it the picture way. So we have 3 tens and how many ones? 0 ones plus 5 tens. Sorry, I'm going to duck my head so the people behind me can see. Or how about I do this? Is that better, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Plus 3 tens and 0 ones plus 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 ones. 1, 2. Equals. So let's see here. We have 5 and then we have 3. What's 5 plus 3? 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 8. And how many ones do we have?
82.
2. Very good. 82 is your answer. Now let's try it this way. So I'm going to try it the other way. I'm going to change my color just so it doesn't get confusing to you. Okay, 30 plus 52. 30 plus 52. When you add, it does not matter which number goes on top. It could be the big number on top, the small number on the bottom, vice versa. It does not matter. When you subtract, the big number has to go on top. But when you add, it does not matter because you're just jumbling those numbers up. It's like making a cake. When you make a cake, does it really matter if you put the eggs or milk first? No, it doesn't matter because you're going to end up mixing them all together anyway. So that's kind of the same as adding. When you add, it doesn't matter what number goes first because you're going to end up mixing it up anyway. But when you subtract, the big number needs to go on top. But we'll do that later. Don't worry about that. All right, so now the ones place. What's 0 plus 2, class? 2. What's 3 plus 5, class?
8.
You see how we get the same answer?
Yeah.
82. Same answer either way.
Whoa.
It's up to you how you want to do these. On some of them. If it says draw a picture, then it's not up to you. You have to draw your picture. Okay, let's move on. Ooh, model and draw. Take ones from an add-in to make the other add-in, the next tens number. So, for 25 plus 48, if you look here, you see that the numbers in the ones place are greater than 5 because they want you to make a 10. So this is 8 ones, and they're basically telling you if you get 2 more ones and you bring them over here, 1, 2, then now you can cross these out and make a 10 instead. And then how many 10s do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you have 7 10s and 3 ones left. 73. Let's look. Here we have 2 10s and 3 ones. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s. And then, oh, hold on, look, Miss Yusuf, this is a 10, right? This is 10 ones, right? So that can be 1 10. So I'm going to take out my handy dandy eraser. I'm going to erase that 4. Because it's not a 4, it's a 5 now, right? And now I have 0 ones left. Exactly. So now we're going to do 50 plus 23. That's easy. 2 plus 5 is 7. And then 3 plus 0 is 73. They're putting together 10 ones to make 1 10. 10 ones is the same as 1 10. Ten of these is the same as 1 of these. 10 of these is the same as 1 of these. You know that, right? Okay, that's why there's lines on the 10 logs. If you get a 10 log and you really look at it, there's lines on there. And if you count the lines, there's 10 ones. Look, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why this 110 is the same as 10 of these ones. So all you're doing on these problems is you're just cleaning up the mess, basically. We're playing cleanup here. You're cleaning up all the ones to make 110, right? But Miss Yusuf, what if we don't have 10 ones? Then it just stays messy that way. You just write how many ones there are. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at the next one. Show how to make one add-in the next 10 number. Complete the new addition sentence. So we have 37 plus 25. So all we're doing is cleaning up. They already drew the ones for us, so we don't have to worry about the mess. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if we put 3 more here, it makes a 10. So then we can cross out this and draw another 10. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s. That's why they wrote 4 10s and 0 1s. And here we have 2 10s and 2 1s left over. Miss Yusuf, that's not 2 1s. That's 5 1s. I know it used to be 5, but now these are gone. Remember, you brought them over here. So there's 2 1s left over. So 2 10s and 2 1s. So 40 plus 22 is what? 40 plus 22 is what?
42.
No. What's 4 plus, 0 plus 2 is 2, but what's 4 plus 2? 4, 5, 6, 62. Okay, let's look at number 2. I need to make a 10. How many more ones do I need here to make a 10? Dominic? Good, I need 3 more ones. So I'm going to take 3 ones from here, and I'm going to bring them over here. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 1 10 that I can cross out, and I can draw here. So now I have 1, 2, 3 10s and 0 1s. Right? I have 3 10s and 0 1s. And then plus what? What do I have left here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s. And how many ones, Dominique? 3. Now that's easy. 30 plus 43. What's 0 plus 3? What's 4 plus 3? 7. 73. Miss Yusuf, do I have to draw this? Yes. Miss Yusuf, do I have to draw this? Yes. If you're not, then I know you're just copying down answers, and that's not going to help you at all in a minute. You're going to have to do it by yourself, and you're going to be so clueless, and I'm just going to look at you the same way you're looking at me. All right. I'm going to give you a minute to try to do number 3 by yourself. Onliners, do number 3 by yourself. I'll come back to you in just a second. Okay, moving on. Let's look at number 4. It says, show how to make one add-in in the 10s. Okay, but same thing we've been doing. Complete the new addition sentence. So we have 8 1s here. Miss Yusuf, why are you looking here and not bringing them over here? I'm looking at what side has more 1s. This side has more 1s, so I don't have to bring a whole bunch over. How many more do I have to bring over, everybody? 2. Good job. Thanks, Cardenius, for raising your hand. 2. But that's okay. I said everybody. All right, so I'm going to bring 2 over here, right? So now I'm going to circle those 2, and then I'm going to draw them here. And then I can cross out this 10 1s to make a 10. Now what's my problem look like? 2 10s and 2 1s plus 2 10s and 0 1s, which is 20. And then you just have to write your problem. 22 plus 20 The 10 is right here. I added it here. 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So what's your answer? 42. Excellent job. All right, I'm going to give you a minute to do number 5 by yourself. All right, we're going to go ahead and watch Professor Berger for number 6 and 7. So, math on the spot. This is section 6.2. All right, let's listen. Oh, it's not Mr. It's the lady.
Today, we're doing a math puzzle involving twigs.
Oh boy, Twigs!
Now, Joey, I know how excited you get with these examples. So just remember, it's just a puzzle. It's not real.
Okay, just a puzzle. Just a puzzle.
So let's say Zach finds 48 twigs.
48 twigs? Where did he get all those twigs? What is he gonna do with them? Wait, you must
Okay,
really...
Joey, let's go ahead and do the math puzzle. Is that okay?
Oh, yes, of course. Please go on.
Okay.
I'll be quiet.
Zach finds 48 twigs. Kelly finds 17 twigs. How many more twigs do the children still need if they want 75 twigs in all? Let's use base 10 blocks to show 48 for Zach and 17 for Kelly. Now, let's take away some of the ones in Kelly's number and place them in Zach's number. And let me tell you why I'm doing that, Joey. If I take away 2 ones from Kelly, so take away 2 ones from Kelly and add them to Zach's number, one of my add-ins will be 10, and it's a lot easier to add when we have tens. So now I can replace these 10 ones with 110. So we want to know first how many twigs the children have in all. So let's go ahead and combine both Kelly and Zach's twigs. And together they have 65 because we have 6 tens and 5 ones. Okay. Now, we're not done yet. All we know is how many twigs they have in all. But the children want 75 twigs. So how many more should we add to 65 to get 75? Well, all we have to do is take the 75 twigs they want in all, minus the 65 that they already have, and that gives us 10. They need 10 more twigs. Well done, Joey. Is there something you wanted to say? Are you sure? It looks like you really want to say something. Okay, Joey, well, what is it?
Oh, but what are they going to do with 75 twigs? Oh, it's a whole lot of twigs. And what are Kelly and Zach doing with all those twigs? Are they building a boat, a raft, a fence?
Joey,
I don't know, a log cabin?
Join us next time for some more fun with math.
Well, what are they going to do? Mrs. Sandoval, you know everything. You got to tell me. I can't take it. I can't take it.
Okay. Moving on. All right, so Zach finds, before we read this problem, we make sure you show your strategies as you read. Zach finds 38 twigs. Show your strategies means circle the numbers, box the key words, underline the question. Zach finds 38 twigs. Kelly finds 27 twigs. How many more, that's a key word, box that. How many more twigs do the two children still need if they want 70 twigs in all? Okay, so how many more means bigger, smaller, difference. Mirror. Okay. Bigger, smaller, difference. That means if you put the big number first, take away the small number is difference, and this means subtract. Difference is the same as subtract. Very good. BSD, bigger, smaller, difference. So Zach finds 38 twigs. Kelly finds 27 twigs. How many more twigs do the two children still need to find if they want 70? So the first step is we have to do 38 plus 27, because we have to first, this is a two-step. First, we have to find out how many twigs they have all together, and then we have to take that number away from 70. So first, when we add these, we're going to add it this way, the elevator escalator way. So 38 plus 27. Sorry, I have to erase that and then write it again bigger, because that's not going to work. 38 plus 27. Now make sure you write your elevator escalator line. That's this division line that divides the ones place from the tens place. And then you draw this line, this vertical line, this horizontal line. This means equals. This is the equal sign. So first we're going to add the ones place. What's 8 plus 7? This is where our doubles facts kick in. If you know your doubles facts, you can add one more. So what's 7 plus 7? 14. And 8 is one more than 7, so we can just add one more to 14. What's 14 plus 1? 15. Very good. So 8 plus 7 is 15. So what? 15. That means the 1 gets brought up to the tens place. You're adding 1 to the tens place, and the 5 stays in the ones place. Now we have to add all 3 of these numbers. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6. Good job, 6. That's 65. So 38 plus 27 is that my answer? No. How many more twigs do the two children still need if they want 70? So now not 10 more. Let's count. If they want 70 and they only have 65, 65 plus what equals 70? 5. I put 70 minus 65 because we're taking away. 70 minus 65 is 5. And I know that because if I say 65 plus what is 70, right? If I say 65 plus what is 70, this problem is the same as this problem, guys. They are the same problems. So 5 more twigs. All right, let's move on. The chart shows the leaves that Philip collected. He wants a collection of 52 leaves. Using only 2 colors, which 2 color of leaves should he use? So we know that he collected 27 green, 29 brown, and 25 yellow. I'm going to move this up so you guys can see it. He wants a collection of 52 using only 2 colors. What 2 numbers can I add together to make 52? That's basically what they're asking you. So this is a guess and check problem. You have to try it, guess it, and see if it works. So let's try, who wants to guess first? What are we going to add first? Ramsey? What 2 colors would you add together first? 27 plus 29. Let's try it. Good guess. 27 plus 29. I know, neither do I, but just going to try our best. All right, so 7 plus 9, you have to add the ones place first. What's 7 plus 9? Close, but no. 16, good. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the 6 stays in the ones place and the 1 gets kicked upstairs. Why-ya! Poosh! It gets kicked up to the tens place. You don't belong here. You belong in the tens place. Now we're going to add 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So green and brown make 56. Is that how many leaves he wants? He wants 52. So those numbers are too big to put together. So green and brown isn't going to work. Let's try another combination. Tut, what combination do you want to try? Yellow and brown, 29 and 25. Okay, let's try that. 25 plus 29. I know we're going to have a hard time finding room, but we'll just have to figure it out, right? Anywhere. All right, 29 plus 25. Elevator, escalator. Dividing the ones and the tens. 9 plus 5 is what? 14. Good job, Renaya. 14.
I didn't even think about that.
4 stays in the ones place and 1 gets kicked upstairs. Wow. Now, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is? Everybody? 5. 54. Is that the number they're looking for?
Yes.
No, we're looking for 52.
I know that's
So brown and yellow isn't going to work. Renaya, you want to give me a try?
25 plus 27.
25 and 27. Let's try that. 25 plus 27. Let's see, so do I have to write all of these down? Yes. Find space. It could be anywhere on your paper. Okay. 5 plus 7 is what? 12. Good job, mathematician Dominic. 12. The 2 stays in the ones place and the 1 gets kicked up in the tens place. Whoop-pow! 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is? What's 4 plus 1? 5. Thank you. When I just ask the question, then I want everyone to answer. If I call on somebody specifically, then I want that person to answer. But if I just say everybody, then it's everybody answers. So it's 5. So does that make 52? Yes. Finally. So 25 was yellow and 27 was green. So what 2 colors can we use? Green and yellow. You're going to write green
I knew it.
and yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. All right. Now, class, you're going to go ahead and you know the drill. You are going to do, hold on, if you haven't wrote this on my class, I'll go back up. Hold on. Onliners, you're going to do 8, 9, and 10 by yourself, and then you're going to complete the yellow page, 189 and 190 on your own, and you're going to turn that into me. If you have any questions, let me know. All right? Work hard. Have fun learning math. See you later.